Hello, I'm Jonathan, and welcome to another Decenomy tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to have a look at VaultWatch and provide you with some information about how to read the staking statistics, and what to do with that info. First of all, let's navigate to the VaultWatch website at https://vaultwatch.eu. On the main page you can scroll down through many coins and view different statistics on them all. For this example though, we are going to look at one world coin, also known as OWO coin. In the search bar type in OWO and then click on the name to go to the coin's details page. Once this is done we can see the basic information of the coin, links and some technical details, as shown in the image. In this guide we focus on staking and show you the main tools offered by VaultWatch. We will mainly look at these three tabs for now. Profit Calculator, Staking Information, and Best Staking Addresses. Profit Calculator. The Profit Calculator offers an estimate of the rewards that we can expect given a certain amount of coins. However, this statistic is not 100% guaranteed as the blockchain is a dynamic system in which the factors change constantly. As we can see in the image, we have entered the value of 1 million OWO. Stake, not compounding, shows us expected returns on a daily, weekly, monthly, and annual basis without restaking our rewards. Stake, compounding, shows us expected returns on a daily, weekly, monthly, and annual basis restaking our rewards. In Masternode, collateral 100,000 shows comparison between our staking rewards and the rewards of a masternode. In shared masternode, with a fee 6%, shows comparison between our staking rewards and an investment in a shared masternode. At the time of writing this guide, a staking reward is equivalent to 25 OWO, while the daily rewards table is about 550 OWO. This means an average of about 22 rewards per day. In the staking information we can see the following values. Average input size, the average amount of coins per input in the network. Average input weight, the average age of inputs. The age of the inputs for the Decenomy coins is not a factor that affects the probability of receiving a reward. The only determining factor is the size of an input. As we have seen in the guide, Staking Optimization and Common Problems, it can be useful to change the value of set stake split threshold to avoid having too large a quantity of our coins in an immature state, which is 100 confirmations, before being available again for staking. You can see, in the top image, in our wallet all of our coins after receiving the first reward will not be available for staking for about 100 minutes. This is due to the coins all being together in one input. It is worth noting, inputs are not separate addresses but more so lots of different amounts within one address. In the lower image is the information provided from the Best Staking Addresses tab. They are the same statistics as before, but here they are referring to the individual addresses of the largest active stakers on the network. We can therefore use an average input size value as a reference value for the set stake split threshold in our wallet, from the debug console. We'll look at that now. In our debug console we can type set stake split threshold 3500. This is the value we wish to set each input to. After a while we will see that the coins in an immature state will be about 3,500, leaving the rest of the balance free. As we can see from the image, only a small part of our coins are immature. By doing this, we have the possibility of having a slight increase in reward. Please do feel free to visit vaultwatch.eu for yourself and go through all the various information. If you have any questions, please reach out to us on our Discord channel. We will add links for both in the description. Thank you again for supporting Decenomy, and please feel free to check out all of our other tutorial videos on YouTube.